After a breast implant exchange with Peri Areolar lift or a donut lift, you can shower after 48 hours. You can exercise in a supportive bra after a week and avoid upper body exercises for 3 weeks. You can go swimming and go underwater, assuming everything is healed after 3 weeks. I do want you to wear a supportive bra for 2 months following the operation to help support all of your tissue around the implant while things are healing. Another thing I want you to do while you're healing from a donut lift or peri-areolar lift is to tape your incision for 6 weeks after surgery. So initially I'm gonna put steri strips on there, which are like stickers. Those will probably fall off after around 1 to 2 weeks. At that point in time, we'll give you some paper tape, and I want you to put paper tape on that incision for 6 weeks. So once we hit the 6 weeks after surgery mark, you can quit using the paper tape, and I will do a laser treatment of the scar at that time. But nothing helps the scars look better than paper tape for the first 6 weeks, or a steri strip initially, and then paper tape up to that 6-week mark, followed by the laser treatment. That is basically how we can give you the best scars we possibly can. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.